How to remove dots on screen iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you want to remove dots on your iPhone 16 Pro Max screen, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and then go with the accessibility section. So these dots might appear when you're driving, maybe in your car, or maybe seeing these dots. And it's not a glitch, it's a setting on your iPhone that you can actually turn off. So once you're in your accessibility, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find the vision section. Right here, under vision, tap on motion. From here, you'll see a setting that says show vehicle motion cues. In my case, it's turned off. So if you select automatically in vehicle, the dots will appear when you're inside your vehicle. But if you just simply tap on the option on, and as you can see that you have these dots right here on the right side or on the left side of your screen. If you want to turn this, you need to tap on off and the vehicle motion cues will be turned off and your dots will be removed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.